Let's talk about the model. The term model can lead to a lot of confusion, especially since it's also used in the humanities in various ways. In computer science, there's a very general understanding of a model as an instance that creates an output for a given input. In many cases, the output of a model is determined by a set of rules. This is called an algorithm. In machine learning, the output of a model is not determined by an explicit set of rules, but implicitly by the state of the model's parameters. Practically, when you want to use the term machine learning model, you should have in mind that this refers to two things. The model's internal state, which is a long list of numbers, floating point numbers, and by long, I mean millions of billions of those. And second, the formula how these parameters have to be combined with a given input. This is the model architecture. While you are preparing your spacey pipeline and you happen to include a component that uses machine learning models, your models will go through different stages: training, evaluation, testing, and production. Only during training, the internal state, the parameters of the model, will be modified. During evaluation and testing, you check the quality of your model's output on new inputs. It's very important that it's not the same data as you used for training, as in that case you might overestimate the model's predictive capabilities. For training, evaluation, and test data, you need to know the underlying truth that you aim to predict with the model. In a research setting, the production stage is when you are starting to use your final model on novel data, where you don't actually know the true desired output. It is when the model is actually put to use to help you with your humanities research question. It is important that you have no overlap in the data used for training, evaluation, and testing, that you don't update your parameters during evaluation and testing, and that you run your model only once on the test data, report those results in your publication, and not go back to training afterwards. The terms that were used in this video were algorithm, model, machine learning model, parameters, architecture, and the model stages: training, evaluation, testing, and production.